Hello, welcome student. Today we will know that what kind of applications you can use for unit 1. Can you download Apache OpenOffice? So first go to on google.com, search is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is a Apache product. You can see on the top Apache OpenOffice. So click on this link, or you can click on directly download option. So first we will visit the site. So there are some options. I want to learn more about OpenOffice. I want to download Apache OpenOffice. I want to download Apache OpenOffice. The version is most recently released 4.1.7. Now click on this option. You will be get download window. It will automatically detect your operating system version. For example, we are using Windows. If you want to download this application for another operating system, so there are available all, for example, Linux 64-bit or 86, RPM, Dev and DMG, and more platform for operating systems are available. We are using Windows, and you can select language also, English US, British English. So we are use British English. So click on British English. You can use US English. There are some difference come in spelling and pronunciation. For example, in British English we write color spelling is COLOUR, but in US English we use color spelling as a COLOR. We don't use U alphabet in color spelling. So our CBC board or our India follow this British English. We call this Queen English also. So we click on full installation. But if you have already downloaded Apache OpenOffice, so you want to add a language pack, so you can download a particular language pack available in this list. So there are available Hindi also, so you can download Hindi language pack also if you want to working in Hindi language. We are downloading this application with British English language. So click on download full installation. Now click on this source for NAT. Your download will start shortly. So you will a window appear on your screen. This is a downloading software window, and this is the file name Apache OpenOffice 4.1.7 Windows x86 install. The file binary file size is 128 MB. Click on save file. The downloading is started. Download is complete. You can directly click on this file, or you can click on this open folder. After double click it will be run. So I click directly on this. Office 4.1 setup is started. Click on next. This is the default location of your installation files, so we can change. If you don't change, so it will be create a folder on desktop, and it will be extract all the file, save all the file on desktop folder in OpenOffice folder installation files. On install, you can show installation wizard in OpenOffice 4.7. You continue to next. It will ask you for the username, so you can enter your name. And if you have worked in any organization, college, schools and any company, so you can enter the name. So I can use my name. So install this application for anyone who use this computer, all users. For example, if any person working on as a guest account, so he can also use this application. But if you click on this option only for me, so only the HP user access this feature. Click on anyone who use this computer for all users. So click on next. If you don't want to install to all application of this package, so you can click on custom. next, and you can select what application you want to install or not. So click on this and you can remove these features and editing in this feature. We want to install a complete application, so click on complete. Click on next and start link on desktop. So it will be create a shortcut on desktop. So click on install. Now installation is started. So installation is complete. Click on finish. So we have installed this application. You can access from desktop. If you show desktop icon, so you will be find the shortcut on the screen. Open Office 4.1. And you can double click on this and it will be open a panel. All application included in this panel. This is a welcome wizard. So click on next. Enter the forename, surname and initiate. So I open the home, crush and finish. This will include all the application, for example text document, spreadsheet, representation, drawing, database, formula, templates. Click on text document. This application name is OpenOffice Writer. This is the OpenOffice and you can perform your all practical of digital documentation on this application. Other application is Google Suite. So what is the Google Suite? Click on Google Docs. This is the free online documentation for personal use. Now click on this. Here are available personal and business use also. Go to paid applications, but we can use this application free also as a Google Doc. Now click on Google, search Google Docs. Now the online documentation for personal use. So here are Google Docs. It means we can use this application for documentation, sheets for Excel, slides for presentation and forms for creating forms to submit online data. Now if you want to use personal, there are available both versions, business and personal. So I click on personal version, go to Google Docs. So we are redirected to docs.google.com document. So I have already logged on. We can tag a queue. So there are predefined templates also available, and we can click on blank. Click on blank document. This is an online application. It is run on server. You can access from anywhere, anytime. You need to have perfect internet connection for use this application. If you have not a perfect internet connection, so you will be get some disturbance in network and your work will be disturbed. So if you want to use this application feature, so we can click on blank. But if you want to use predefined template also available in this application, so you can click on resume, letter, project proposal, brochure, etc. So there are many default templates are available in this application. So first thing is you have not need to install any kind of application for this. You can directly, it is easy to accessible from the any web browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can Internet Explorer and Opera, UC. Many you can use many browser like this, like those. Click on blank. So you will be get a blank document. So you can perform your documentation operation on this. Some options like your office. We have file tab, edit tab, format tab, tools, add-ons, and many things. There are also available standard toolbar, title bar, menu bar. So we can use this application as a documentation. The benefit of this application that you have not need to save your file on your computer. It will save on your Google Drive. This is your document, so you can access through the online connection. So this is the good advantage of this application, but you have to do your all work online. So this is a Google Doc. We talk about the LibreOffice. So what is a LibreOffice? It is already available in your Linux version. If you install Fedora, Ubuntu, Black Ubuntu, so these versions are already available in Linux operating system. So you not need to download or install this application. You can easily update your application. But for the Windows, we can download this application. So how can we download this application? Type LibreOffice in Google tab. You can click on this option or click on this. There is no problem. Both sides is same. So here are LibreOffice 6. The best Office suite gets even better. Download now, and click on download now. So it will be redirected to me for download options. So it will automatically detect my operating system. So my operating system Windows 64-bit, but if you are using Windows 32-bit, so you can download Windows 32-bit. Click on download. You can see LibreOffice 6.4.3 WinX 64-bit MSI is tab appear on the screen. You can see the LibreOffice 6.4.3 Win 64-bit MSI available on the screen. So click on save file. No. So this is starting downloading. You can see Apache OpenOffice size is 128 MB and LibreOffice size is 298 MB. So this is the difference of both files. So how to complete? Downloading is complete. Now click on this. This is the installation wizard of LibreOffice 6.4.3.2. Now click on next. There are all options. This option similar to complete option. The option was available in OpenOffice, so this is a similar option, and custom is the custom option, so you can choose a particular component for installation. So we will choose typical and next. So create a shortcut on desktop. Okay, now click on install. Create shortcut on desktop. Okay, check mark. Load LibreOffice 6.2 during the system startup. Kindly do not check mark this option. If you check mark this option, so when you start your PC, so this application is already started. Don't schedule your application for auto startup. So don't check mark this option. But if you want to, you own your PC and you will get this application already open, so you can check mark this option. So I am not check mark this option, so click on install. So installation is starting. Okay, installation is complete. Now click on finish. So you will be get the LibreOffice icon on the desktops. So this is the LibreOffice icon. So click on this. So LibreOffice will be it will open. You can see write a document. This application same as Apache Office Writer. So click on this. So this is the Office Writer. There are many similar options as OpenOffice, format, etc. etc. We can perform our CBC practical this application also. And now take a look of Word. You can download Word from Microsoft Office. I am opening Word directly. This is a Word. This is a paid application, and this is a good application for working digital documentation. But according to guidelines of CBSE, we will use only open source applications. We will perform some practical in this application also, but the satisfactory practical application is, according to CBSE, is Apache OpenOffice. So these applications are approximately similar, but there are difference of some graphics and some features. This application is good, similar as here are WPS applications also available. So take a look of WPS application. WPS application is also paid applications. This is a WPS application. You can use free trial also. Okay, this is similar as Word. This is available for Mac, Windows PC, Android, Linux, Apple. So this is also a paid application. You can download a free trial version of this application and create your documentation. So today we will see how can you download and install Apache OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and we see G Suite also. How can you access G Suite, and we visit the website of WPS Office. Similarly, there are many applications for documentation, but for the CBS, according to CBC guideline, we will prefer an open source application. For example, we will use Apache OpenOffice. So thank you.